First up is definitely the importance of having a consistent self-care routine.
You want to make sure you utilize all that the university has to offer, from the fitness centers to the food places, and even the staff here. They're all here to help you. Don't be afraid to ask for help.
When you have a self-care plan, it makes it that much more easy to adapt when things do happen in your life.
The professors here are actually not that strict or scary at all.
There were too many semesters that I went through not talking to my advisors, going to the wellness center, or talking to my professors. They are here to make your academic experience as smooth as possible. They'll help you schedule your classes. They'll help you if you're going through a tough time with either family or life in general. Make sure you utilize that help.
Don't compare yourself to anyone.
People change, people grow, and if you limit yourself to that, you don't get to explore and have new experiences.
But make sure that you're meeting new people and that you're having experiences with everyone, that you're getting out and about.
Take 8 a.m.s.
Don't take 8 a.m.s. I cannot stress this enough. If you have a hard time getting up in the morning, don't think, oh, I just graduated high school and I'll be able to get up early. I had to get up early for 4 years. It's not going to work.
8 a.m.s are great. They're easy, they get out of the way, and you have the rest of your day to do whatever you need to do, including homework, studying, working, anything else. 8 a.m.s are excellent.
Don't fall for it.
Definitely save your money where you can, get a job on campus, and don't go out every Friday night.
Make sure that you're looking out for renting your textbooks and not buying them outright. And here on campus, we have our Barnes & Noble store. They have a whole section for renting out required textbooks.
If there's one thing you want to spend your money on, it's professional attire. Professional attire can help you get a one-up on other people when you volunteer on campus, work for different offices, and it just makes you look like you take your appearance and what you do a little bit more seriously.
The food here is actually really good, but it's more about finding what your niche is and what you actually like and really just sticking with it.
But make sure that you're keeping a decent diet, because this will help you not only physically but also mentally. If you're not eating crappy foods all the time, you're not going to get bogged down, you're going to be more productive, and your college experience is just going to be that much better.
There's so many other food options. Like, I never really went to Glassworks in Holly Point. I never went to the Starbucks on Holly Point. And I never went to Einstein's, and I'm really upset I didn't, because I would have discovered some great food early on.
I just recently learned that there's a dollar slice night down the road, and it is so fun to know all of the little tips and tricks and deals with eating around campus, and having somewhere to go out with your friends.